Are you looking for the best way to stream your games? Today, we'll compare Moonlight, Parsec, and Steam Link. Each of these tools helps you play games from one device on another, but they do it in different ways. Moonlight is an open source tool that lets you stream games from your PC to other devices. It uses NVIDIA's Game Stream technology. This means if you have a compatible graphics card, you can enjoy smooth gameplay on your phone, tablet, or even another computer. Next up is Parsec. This tool also allows you to stream games, but it focuses more on multiplayer experiences. Parsec lets you connect with friends and play together in real time. It's great for sharing your screen and playing co-op games even if you are far apart. Now let's look at Steam Link. This tool is made by Valve, the company behind Steam. Steam Link lets you stream games from your Steam library to other devices. It's easy to set up and works well if you already use Steam for your gaming. So, what are the key differences? Moonlight is best for solo gaming with high quality graphics. Parsec shines in multiplayer situations, allowing friends to join you easily. Steam Link is perfect for those who are already in the Steam ecosystem. When it comes to features, all three tools have low latency streaming. Moonlight offers high quality video, while Parsec has excellent multiplayer support. Steam Link is user friendly and integrates seamlessly with your Steam library. In terms of pricing, Moonlight and Parsec are free, while Steam Link is also free but requires a Steam account. In conclusion, if you want to game solo with high graphics, choose Moonlight. If you love playing with friends, go for Parsec. If you are a Steam user, Steam Link is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.